Oh, now we're recording. Now we're recording. Woo!
Say hi to Taylor and Joseph. Joseph.
Love you, Caitlin. Let's go. This feels like 1990 right here. Wow. Wow, guys, can you see how cool that is? We have to say to the bride and groom.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Very
That's
happy.
good stuff. Hey, what do you have to say to the bride and groom?
Hey, get out of my face. Congratulations.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Congratulations.
To say something to the bride and groom.
Congratulations.
I'm about to get food, guys. There's some crazy lady. They get excited when they see a plate of food. Alright guys, we don't know who this guy is. We think he's the wedding crafter. Hey, sir, who do you know here? Who do you know here? Can we get this guy kicked out? We don't know who he is. Isn't that the big director in New York now? Oh, wait, there was a wedding tonight, though. I forgot about that. So, yeah.
Yes. Beautiful.